Remember, kids, be safe.
You were born to do this.
I almost kicked the ceiling. We are here today with the world's worst roller skaters. The Moxy team. Wait, I said that they're the world's best, and then they said, we want to call the video the world's worst, and I said, I guess I'll get on them. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name's Estrogen.
My name is Kayla.
My name's Mia.
I'm Sydney.
Shove.
And Evelyn.
You forgot one right on the end.
I'm Ricky, day one of roller skating.
He almost fell right as we said that. Okay, so I have these on my feet and I'm freaking terrified. Like, give me some basics so I don't hurt myself.
Well, you're already bending your knees. You look really natural.
Do I?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay? Yeah. Not when you do that, when you just do natural.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like normal?
Yeah,
And then
knees
what?
are bent, and then look, you're so
Why are you doing that with the shoulders? Why are you doing the shoulders like that?
So we're gonna do some tricks, and by we, I mean them. Slate it? 180 I feel like is real tough.
Drop in the mini ramp.
No way.
Easy.
Come on, hit a three, come on.
I'm scared of that, and that.
I promise I can teach you the three.
Okay, teach me.
As you're rolling, you've got your head and shoulders turned. You jump.
Yes, you got it.
And jump.
Yes.
And like
Just
this?
do it.
Okay, hold on.
What are you doing?
Oh, my name's Ricky and I can do everything. Remember, kids, be safe. I knew we should have called this the world's best.
I have never seen a less athletic looking man.
Really? Why is this about me? I want to see you guys do tricks. Okay, tell me.
We think that you could front side the rail.
The rail? No. Straight to the rail?
I'll hold your hand.
Wait, she's gonna show me. Sideways like that? Okay, she's still like got the sickest style though. I need to do it like that. Wow! Holy crap, that hurt. That hurt my back.
All you have to do is this.
Can you do the splits?
No.
Okay, because neither can I, and I feel like that's what I would do. That is really slippery game. Me and Ricky are in a different world. If I fall, I fall. Look at your boy now.
That was sick.
Is that something? Yeah. Oh yeah, to the ledge. I like that. Yeah. Just go and switch.
Whoa!
Yeah.
I would love to see you do that.
I will. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
That was Steezy.
Yeah, Ricky.
Unreal skill.
My name's Aaron Kyro. I'm a sponsored roller skater from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today I'm gonna jump a 3-stair. That's a real scary game. Are you okay? Are you good? That was not the confidence that I needed.
Probably move that out of here. Yeah.
Oh! First try! There, no!
What are you doing?
I'm scared!
Come on.
Just jump it?
Yeah.
Get that skateboard out of here! For all those hardcore skateboarders who are like, why is the skateboard channel have roller skates? Guess where the skateboard came from? Roller skates on a board, huh? What you gotta say now? Know your roots. Yeah! Oh yeah!
Send it. My
Oh,
God.
I should have put on knee pads.
I've never seen a more athletic man. Woo! Wow.
Ricky would like to drop in. I'm not dropping in, just putting it on the record. No! No, I'm not. Yeah! Whoa!
Get up there.
No, Gabe, no.
Dude, get up there.
No!
The people want to see it.
Bend your knees. If you can figure out how to keep your hands on your knees the whole time, it's impossible to go backwards.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a real thing? She said if you can put your hands on your knees like that, it's impossible to fall back. We'll see.
Yeah. So this whole foot is weightless. Okay. This one has all the weight. I bring it close to the coping and then I transfer the weight from the deck into the rim, keeping my head in front the whole time.
See, because he understands ramps well, maybe this will translate, or maybe he's dead. You're looking graceful like a duck, a swan, a beautiful... This is the first time in the history of Braille where somebody did a trick and people shouted, beautiful.
Come on, beautiful. Get up there.
I'm not doing that.
Get up there.
I'm not doing
Why?
that. No, I'm gonna hurt myself. Big slam. Big slam. Come on. Look at those thighs though. Beautiful!
Even my toes stop.
Yeah. Oh! Are you good? Yeah. 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 Careful. We don't know how stable that rail is. I may or may not have built that, and then if I did, then it's probably gonna fall over.
You gotta drop in though.
Drop in.
Okay, drop in.
I just did!
Got you Jamba Juice on drop in first try.
You owe me 8 Jamba Juices, literal.
We never go. What?
Oh wait, Gabe? Tell me what to do. No, she says! Just do it. Just relax, they say.
What is happening right now?
I've never seen him more scared of anything.
She said, I'm about to go, and she's going like this. This is not good. This is not good. What?
Be confident!
That's what you're doing.
Gabe, if I do this, you're dropping that vert ramp. Get out of here!
That's 3 feet versus 12. Come on. Yeah!
And then when I go in, I go like
JD,
this.
tell him you're getting mad. Tell him you're getting mad. You're making JD mad.
Am I making you mad? Good.
Yes.
I hope so.
Angry.
Because when you were teaching me how to do vert, all you would say is, go faster. Ah! Yeah.
Don't stop.
Okay, go.
3, 2, 1. I am the champion. Yeah.
And then just.
Oh! Beautiful. I don't even need to count. I'm a pro. I think I pulled like 14 muscles.
Yeah, go ahead, take a seat, old man.
Yeah! Should I get up there?
World's worst. World's worst.
I told you they were the best. I told you. You heard it here first.
JD, can you invert that long?
No way.
How you feel?
Accomplished.
That was harder for you than the 50-50 down the handrail.
Dude, that's scary. Stand up on there on the skates and just look down. It's scary. Oh! That's easy.
Yeah.
What the heck? She said that's easy. You just look back. I think you should explain how to do it again.
Spinning?
Yeah. I should have left my skates on. What was I thinking? Okay, do like a full, just show us how it should look. Look at that! What in the world?
I gotta get my hair.
That's sick.
Crazy.
Yeah, throw your hair out, Rick.
ABD on roller skates.
I'm gonna do kickflip.
Oh, you went so.
Yeah! Big slam.
Oh!
Mia!
Oh!
Mia! She said, I think I can full cab it.
Oh!
She got my Guinness Book of World Records.
What? You just
Yeah.
pulled that out.
What?
Oh yeah.
For the most amount of people to ever be flipped over.
No way.
She flipped over more people than anyone else in the whole entire world.
And how many people was that?
Well, there was like 13 people laying down, but somebody was like tweaked moving sideways, so only 12 counted.
12? But she did 14.
What? Okay, Braille team, let's move these stairs.
They want this one? Careful. Nigel, can you ollie over me?
Oh, this thing is heavy. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, that's easy.
Ricky, get her back! Woo! Ricky, where you going? From the top! Yeah!
What is going on?
Put this thing on the ground! Yeah! What in the world? She almost kicked the ceiling. He just does it like that?
Yeah, man, big poser.
Glo's gonna mess this up for sure. I told you!
Come on! That was perfect!
What did I say? So, what were you saying? Say it again, you won't. She said, or do we call the end of the video the ouch row? You get it, Gabe?
That hurts.
All right, well, a huge thanks to the Moxy team for coming out here and hanging out with us. That was super, super fun. And thank you for almost ending my life today. That was really great.
Anytime.
Scariest day of my life. Yeah, I barely survived, but I made it. But yeah, thank you so much for coming. You guys are amazing. And you absolutely killed it. You crushed it. So for everybody that was writing the comments, because I saw a lot of comments, get the Moxy team, get the Moxy team. Why haven't you done a video with the Moxy team? So here we are. Signed, sealed, and delivered. It wasn't easy. I was on Instagram saying, please come, please come. What are you guys doing? Like, our schedule is busy, we're packed. But yeah, so thank you for finally making it. And yeah.
Thank you, commenters. I'm so happy to be here and thank you for having us.
Yeah, you're welcome.
If you want to learn more roller skating, you should go to our Moxy skate camp. We do a whole weekend at Woodward, West, and East.
If you want skates or gear, check it out on moxyskates.com. All of us there work there. We have camps. We teach free lessons in the park down in Long Beach, California.
You come to Long Beach, California on June 17th. I host a rollout where 1,000 skaters on all wheels show up and we take over Long Beach.
1,000 skaters on all wheels.
It's called Suns Out, Buns Out.
Gotta wear a bikini. How does he have speedo?
He said, let's go. He said, great, it's called Suns Out Buns Out. He goes, oh. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, please. Can we make a whole nother episode with everybody in booty shorts?
Yes.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard and roller skates.
Yeah.